Hi, today we're going to help verify pocket option. So from here, simply go to the top right corner, press your avatar and click profile. From here, simply press confirm your email address. And it's going to say we have sent a verification link to your email. Check your inbox and complete your verification. If you're just starting out, the identity information or the identity info will be blank. So simply input all of the required information, and from there scroll down. You're going to choose a country here. Let's say that I'm from the Philippines, and from here we're going to press confirm. And now we will be asked a few questions. Before you start, prepare your identity document and make sure that it is valid. We also require you to agree to the processing of your personal data. I'm a resident or live in, I do not live in the United States of America, so I'm going to press other. Going to press continue, and you're going to choose what kind of document or what type of ID you're going to use. Let's say that I'm going to use driver's license. Continue on phone, and from here, pocket option will eventually verify your account. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.